This is a flowchart created in iGrafx Flowcharter. It's professional process mapping software. You don't need a license to view the chart. You can use the free iGrafx viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the download. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful IGX file inspection tool. The IGX file extension is associated with iGrafx, a suite of business process management and analysis tools. These files typically contain data related to process diagrams, flowcharts, and other visual representations of business workflows. They store information about the shapes, connections, and data associated with each element in the diagram, enabling users to model, analyze, and optimize their business processes. IGX files are structured to efficiently store complex process diagrams. The internal format includes definitions for various diagram elements, their properties, and relationships. The file structure supports versioning and metadata, allowing for tracking changes and managing different iterations of the process models. The format is proprietary to iGrafx and requires the iGrafx software for full access and editing capabilities. There's a direct software link between IGX and iGrafx by iGrafx. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows can't render their full mesh or model data, so complete analysis must be done in a CAD tool. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the IGX file and hit Open With. Test iGrafx if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If you cannot access the IGX file, no problem. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, use iGrafx. Open the file using iGrafx, the required application for the diagram process modeling file. Next, check version. Ensure your iGrafx version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to PDF EVS. Use the software's export function to save the diagram as a universal format like .pdf or visio.vsd. If your apps can't interpret the IGX file, it is likely a structural incompatibility caused by different programs using the same label. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening these ambiguous file types. Get the FileMagick Universal tool now. It's my top recommendation for opening your stubborn IGX file instantly. FileMagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session. We're wrapped up here. See you next time.